Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Yuni Daningrum.
And I'm Nisa Kamila Aulia Arsyadi. We are from A3 2019. Here we will explain about our business plan. So let's get started. GDV Subtitle Service is a translation service provider in the film industry with a team of strong freelance translators and professional translators. We created this business on the grounds because of difficult to enjoy a spectacle that is often constrained by the subtitles. Therefore, this business aims to facilitate our clients and provide service for people who need subtitles in order to watch more comfortably. And then, of course, we have several goals. There are for short term. We hope the client can watch comfortably and know the translation. For the medium term, the client can understand the meaning of the movie. And then for the long term, we hope the client can improve the ability of another language. And then for the ownership, we both own this company. And then for the legal structure, for owner, as Sakamila Aulia Arsyadi, and then my friend Yuni Daningrum. For the secretary, Lee Sugan and Kang Hodong. For the financial is Song Min-ho and Cho Kyu-hyun. And for the HRD, Pyo Ji-hoon, and marketing, and Ji-won, and advertising, and Jae-hyun. And next for skills. We understand the complexity of different genres or types of movie, and also we can maintain the meaning of the original film in its subtitle. And then for the experience, we are joined translatorsassociation.in, which is a place for translators all over the world to offer themselves to people or companies in need. Our team also has experience running tests and obtaining certificate to pass tests as translators. We have also collaborated with streaming media such as Viu and Netflix Indonesia. And then there is competitive advantages. GDV Subtitle Service is also superior to other companies because we provide our youth freelance born, certified and professional translators, where they can carry out their tasks flexibly, quickly, and on time. Surely, the price we offer is not too expensive. In Bandung, our company is quite famous to gaining customer trust. And then the next point is marketing. In marketing, there are service, market, and location. And for the service, GDV Subtitle Service is a modern and updated company serving translation service in the form of movies, series, and variety shows. The uniqueness of this company is that freelancers work in-house so that they can comfortably create subtitles that match their videos. Of course, clients benefit greatly from the subtitles because they can understand the dialogue in the video. The next is market. GDV Subtitle Service targets clients ranging from teenagers to adults, not only individual clients. We can also provide service to companies or media who need our service. In this company, we can send a variety of language because our freelancer master and proficient in various language. And then the next location. Our office is located in Bandung. However, we are also available on website for clients who are need and also to be accessible to anyone, anytime, and everywhere you are. And also we can be searched by our website www.gdvsubtitles.com. For the next point is financial management. The first is identification of risk. There are several kinds of risks in this profession, like typo. A very common mistake in this profession is typo. Improper use of translations can cause clients to experience misunderstanding in capturing the message conveyed in the movie. However, we will ensure that our team works well without making mistakes. And for the solution, we scan to minimize the error. And then there is client complaint. Sometimes the client will ask for a faster than expected time. If the client is uncomfortable with the subtitle result we provide, we are willing to change it to make it more comfortable at no additional cost. And then there is client choose cheaper service. There are still many clients who prefer to use subtitle translation service that are not certain of accuracy because of the cost that other translations provide cheaper. And for the solution, we promise more accuracy of the meaning of existing dialogues. And then there is harm to parties if the client is not satisfied. The inconvenience of the target client can be detrimental to both parties, namely our company. As a translator, as well as our clients, we provide movies, series, or variety shows. And then for solution, as much as possible, we will make subtitles suitable for every circle. And then there is technical errors like lost data and computer error. Sometimes data disappears due to computer or laptop that freelance use. And for the solution, we hope each freelancer is required to have a copy of the data.
Selanjutnya ada funding request and return on investment, atau disebut juga permintaan pendanaan dan pengembalian investasi. Di sini akan dipaparkan seberapa banyak uang yang perlu kami pinjam dan bagaimana rencana kami menggunakan uang tersebut. Yang pertama, ada initial investment atau investasi awal yang terdiri dari AC 3 buah 9 million, table and chair 10 million, whiteboard 2 pieces 2 million, marker 4 pieces 1 million, computer 10 pieces 80 million, projector 5 million, printer 2 pieces 10 million, paper 8 million, and speaker 9 million. So, and the total is 134 million. Kemudian, yang kedua ada operating capital atau disebut juga modal operasi yang terdiri dari electric 2 million per month, water 500 per month, salary for employees 5 million per month atau disebut juga gaji karyawan. Kemudian ada salary for freelancer sebanyak 3,5 juta per bulan. Nah, kemudian ada langkah-langkah penggunaan jasa kami. Yang pertama, kontak. Klien dapat menghubungi kami, bisa datang ke kantor ataupun melalui website. Yang kedua, send file. Klien mengirim file yang akan ditambahkan subtitlenya. Yang ketiga, DP 50%. Klien harus membayar biaya awal sebanyak 50% untuk jaminannya. Yang keempat, proses. Apabila telah menghubungi dan melakukan pembayaran, tim kami akan segera mengerjakannya. Yang kelima, completed atau tim kami akan menghubungi kembali bahwa file telah selesai dikerjakan. Yang keenam, full payment. Klien membayar penuh atas pekerjaan yang telah selesai. Yang ketujuh, result atau hasil. Tim kami akan mengirim file melalui email. Ada operation, day-to-day management. The way of working at our company is in-house, so freelancers don't need to come far to our office, just accept a new job and feel comfortable doing it in their respective places. We'll be hiring a freelancer for a month to get a period of working on subtitles, so that for the contract that will be provide, the freelancer expected to be able to work on assignment on time and not the content or subtitles from the films, series, and variety shows they are working on. Jadi kami akan mempekerjakan para freelancer atau para penerjemah di rumah mereka masing-masing. Tidak perlu datang ke kantor agar mereka mempekerjakannya dengan fokus dan tidak memakan banyak waktu. Kami akan mengkontrak para freelancer selama 1 bulan. Itulah jangka waktu untuk mereka mengerjakan pekerjaan itu. Namun mereka pun dapat menerima pekerjaan lain selagi memiliki kontrak dengan perusahaan kami. Sehingga untuk kontrak yang kami berikan, para freelancer diharapkan dapat mengerjakan tugas tepat waktu dan tidak membocorkan konten atau subtitle dari film, serial, dan variety show yang sedang mereka kerjakan. Selanjutnya ada hiring and personal procedures. We will hire freelancers who are proficient in various languages after the translation needs requested by our clients. Understand the true meaning of the film, series, or variety shows. Can convey the meaning of the dialogue correctly. Of course, they are sworn, certified, and professional translators. We don't limit age as long as they can. We'll be happy to give them the task as their own. Jadi kami akan mempekerjakan freelancer yang mahir dalam berbagai bahasa atau sesuai dengan kebutuhan terjemahan yang diminta oleh klien kami. Paham akan makna sesungguhnya dari film, series, atau variety show tersebut, dapat menyampaikan arti dari dialog dan memahaminya dengan benar. Tentunya mereka merupakan penerjemah tersumpah, bersertifikat, dan profesional. Kami tidak membatasi usia. Selagi mereka mampu, kami akan menerima mereka dengan senang hati. Selanjutnya ada leases or rents. Di bawah ini akan dipaparkan mengenai masing-masing harga yang kami tawarkan. Yang pertama ada film. Kami menawarkan dengan harga 800.000 per 30 menit dan waktunya sekitar 1 minggu. Kemudian yang kedua ada series, 500.000 per episode. Nah, untuk series ini waktunya kami hanya menawarkan 5 hari. Kemudian ada variety shows, ini 500.000 per 30 menit dan untuk waktunya 5 hari. Kemudian equipment for production, ada office, table and chair, projector and speaker. Kemudian ada production and delivery. The completed file will be sent by email. Jadi apabila pekerjaan telah selesai, kami akan mengirimnya melalui email. Here ada concluding statement. GDV Subtitle Service will provide the best subtitle results with the perseverance and knowledge of our freelancers to get satisfactory results. We will provide our best service to our clients. We hope that freelancers can work comfortably in our company. Don't need to hesitate for using our service. We are here to help you. Where else you can find from amazing subtitle service at the right price? It's all from us. We apologize if there's a wrong word. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.